Hello everyone, I am Anissa Khairunisa. I will discuss gender equality discrimination. Gender discrimination is unequal or unfavorable treatment of someone based on their gender. Gender discrimination can occur in various forms, including actions that make the work environment less comfortable and unsafe for gender minorities, which results in the loss of rights for women. I will give one case of gender equality discrimination by quoting from one of the recent cases of gender discrimination against women, dilemma of female workers at PT ICE, and the importance of gender equality in the workplace. Recently, a case of gender discrimination emerged at PT ICE in Indonesia. Female workers at this company were reported to not receive their basic rights, such as menstrual leave and maternity leave. Some workers even experienced mistrust due to heavy workload without proper relief. In addition, there were reports that the company did provide adequate protection against sexual violence experienced by female workers, which caused them to be reluctant to report for fear of negative consequences. This case has sparked many protests from the public. In fact, there was a strike by hundreds of ICE workers. Several observers argue that the practice of repressing the rights of female workers at ICE is a result of the perpetuation of particular culture in the employment sector in Indonesia. Legal framework related to gender discrimination in Indonesia. Indonesia has ratified the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, or CEDAW, through Law Number 7 of 1984. The Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women of CEDAW. In addition, Article 3 of Law Number 39 of 1999 concerning human rights emphasizes that everyone has the right to protection of human rights and fundamental freedoms without discrimination. Presidential Instruction Number 9 of 2000 concerning gender mainstreaming in development was also issued to ensure gender equality in various aspects of life. Manpower Law Number 13 of 2003, this law regulates non-discrimination and gender equality in employment and maternity protection. Gender discrimination impact analysis. There are many impacts resulting from gender discrimination that occurs at PT ICE for women, including 1. Physical and mental health. Workers that do not consider women's biological condition can cause serious health problems, such as miscarriage and prolonged stress. Number 2. Performance and productivity. The discriminatory work environment reduces employee motivation and productivity, which ultimately harms the company as a whole. Number 3. Social inequality. Discrimination reinforces gender stereotypes and hinders efforts to achieve equality in society. Propose solution. Therefore, it is necessary to resolve and find solution related to the problem experienced regarding gender equality discrimination against women at PT ICE, namely by strict law enforcement. The government must ensure the laws related to gender discrimination are enforced strictly, including imposing sanctions on companies that violate them. Education and training. Companies need to provide training to all employees regarding gender equality and the rights of women workers. Safe complaint mechanism. Establish and safe and reliable complaint channel for victims of discrimination and violence in the workplace. Last, regular monitoring and evaluation. Conduct regular audits of company policies to ensure there are no discrimination practice. It is time for us to work together to eliminate gender discrimination in the workplace. Every individual deserves fair and equal treatment. Let's support policies that are pro-gender equality and create a safe and inclusive work environment for all. Report any discriminatory action you witness and become an agent of change for a better future. Let's unite against gender discrimination in the workplace. The discrimination cases that occur at PTIs against women are violation of human rights and gender equality. There is no place for discrimination in the modern workplace. We must support women's right to receive fair, equal treatment, and freedom for intimidation.
Don't be silent, speak up for justice, report acts of discrimination, and support inclusive company policies. Together, we can create a better work environment for all. Equality is a right, not a choice.